And it is showtime. Welcome to Crypto Talk Now Live with Larry and Patches. We are so very, very grateful that you are here today with us on this beautiful, beautiful Thursday afternoon. We are so grateful for you guys. We are so excited. We have so much to talk about. The market is crashing. Your crypto Nostradamus is once again correct. And we're going to go through and talk about Bitcoin. Of course, we have a couple articles to talk about. We have to talk about Terra Luna Classic with the pullback. We have so many things going on, and we are going to recognize our community. But as you can see, interestingly enough, I was looking into getting an AMP as well. My favorites list is not here because it's a new computer. But as you guys have followed the channel, AMP was one of the ones I was looking to buy. And I'm still being very, very patient. I have not FOMO'd into anything. Amazingly, I don't think I've bought anything in like 3 weeks. It's incredible. Being very, very patient because I believe this is a big time opportunity to buy near the bottom. We are definitely getting closer to the bottom of the market. So without any further ado, who will be first? Who's going to be first? We already know the answer. It's Little Tim. Shout out to Put Your Hands Together. Congratulations. Timmy is first. You've won absolutely nothing. We're looking into in the future giving away some NFTs. I think that's the route we're going to go. We're going to give away some NFTs. I'm going to talk to a couple people and figure out what we want to give away. And we'll start doing that. But just that we had so many issues with our computer. Then it was our camera. Then it was our audio. So we're getting everything ironed out. We're so grateful for you guys. Little Tim, nobody can beat me. I'm like 30 live chats right now. Okay, cool. Selmo Fudd. Welcome to an OG Selmo Fudd. Patches says, what's up? Welcome back to Michael Cornwell. What is up, my peoples? What is up, Selmo? What is up, Tim? Yes, if you guys missed last night, you know what? We'll bring up the YouTube channel here. Just bear with me 1 second. YouTube, I'm going to show you guys. If you missed it last night, I'm going to definitely show you guys. Where is it? Crypto Talk Now. You guys are going to see it. Videos. And look who it is. Last night, we had over 1,000 people watch this video. Bunch of people were in here. It says right here, amazing. Wow. Terra Luna Classic Pump. And we had a special guest, Michael Cornwell, our own Michael Cornwell from our own Crypto Talk Now network community. So yes, that was cool. If you missed it last night, go back and check Michael Cornwell. Michael Cornwell, hello, Larry, sir. Hello, Michael Cornwell. Everybody saying hi. The sky is falling. Yes, your crypto doom and gloomer is here. The Jerry Springer of crypto, Larry, has spoken. I'm here to bring you the doom and gloom. It's going to crash further than any other expert believes. Why? Because I have my finger on the pulse of the macro economy and not just the crypto market. So yes, look what's happening. Read it and weep. Crypto lending platforms are under immense stress as court orders 3AC liquidation. These stories we're going to talk about. Headline news here. Look at this one right here. Once again, Larry has predicted the right thing, that these companies are going to be in trouble. These lending platforms, these trading platforms, these exchanges are going to be in trouble, and only the fit and strongest financially will survive. The crypto almost said the mortgage meltdown. The crypto market meltdown. Only the strongest will survive. Just the same way the strongest lending institutions will survive. I saw so many wholesale lenders go bye-bye. Only the strongest survived. The government bailed them out during the mortgage crisis, the mortgage meltdown back in 07 and 08, in case you guys are keeping score at home. FTX nears deal to buy crypto lender BlockFi. You see, it's happening. Celsius, BlockFi, look at all these things. For pennies on the dollar. It's a distressed asset, and they're going to buy it. Okay, so here it is here. Here's another one. Ripple Labs Incorporated floats CBDC Innovative Challenge. And here's your crypto bubbles here. The market, the sky is falling. Yes, it's all crashing down, which creates, I hope you guys are not losing money. It creates an opportunity for so much of us that are just staying on the sidelines and waiting. We're circling around. The blood is in the water. The sharks are circling and they're waiting to pounce and jump on some nice, strong utility coins in the top 100 and also some microcaps. We'll get into it. Look at here. We'll talk about this. Luna Classic up 100% and USTC up 300%. They're talking about yesterday. Is Terra's ecosystem back on track? We're going to talk about it. What's this right here? Terra Classic receives over 530 million in 4 days. I thought that Terra Classic was dead. I thought it was dead. What happened? Why is all this money going in there? Why is there $500 million going into it? I thought it was dead. I thought the ecosystem was dead. I thought UST was dead. Where is everybody? Where are the naysayers? Where are the stupid people writing the stupid articles? Because you know how I feel about articles. Sometimes they're only good for the headlines because it provokes talk, dialogue about important things that we can think deeply and discuss. Okay, so Nate Nay, he says, hey guys, Eddie T, what is up? And by the way, guys, we didn't even talk about this. We've got to talk about Bitcoin. I'm going to show you guys. Look what's happening to Bitcoin right now. See? Bitcoin, look at this. Look at this. It's down. We're down to 18,976. We're down 5.6% a day. It's crashing again. Just like I said, it's on its way to 12,000. It's not going to happen overnight. It's on its way down. And Michael Saylor and everybody right now is dollar cost averaging in. They're buying in. They're buying into it. It's not a bad investment. It gives people opportunity to acquire more. They want your Bitcoin. They want your Bitcoin. So look at this right here. Look at the beautiful KuCoin chart coming up right now on the fast computer that we have. You see that? There's the 15-minute chart. Let's look at the 1 minute. Just like Ricky likes to look at the 1 minute. And here we are. Nate Nay, sky could fall for a few more days. Thank you very much. I am your crypto doom and gloomer analyst because I tell you the truth. It's not that I'm not a positive person. I'm a very positive person, but I have to tell you guys the truth. And the truth is, this is a tremendous opportunity for you. If you're on the sidelines waiting like I am, you have a great chance to buy closer to the bottom. Nobody knows when the bottom is of the market. Tim Shea, did you get another? You have a different NFT, it looks like, as your avatar. Michael Cornwell, woohoo, the sky is falling. Nice to get in at lower positions. Really, yes, that's what I'm saying. That's the positive outlook. You know, somebody says to me in the comments, it's funny, I get a kick out of the comments. Oh, Larry, I'm not going to watch your show anymore. You're too much doom and gloom. That's all you do. The market's going to crash. So I just took that and I ran with it. I'm your crypto doom and gloomer analyst because I'm predicting the doom and gloom that's already happening right now. I mean, it's not like, does this look like the market's going well for you right now? This is the top 100 right here. Here's Bitcoin down 5.6%. See? Look, Bitcoin wants your attention. Look, it's going to move to the center. Look, it's bumping into Doge. It went right past Doge. It's going around in a circle. Look, it's saying, pay attention to me. I'm driving the whole crypto market right now. And I'm also worried about the Fed. Bitcoin is talking to you right now. Bitcoin's saying, I'm worried. The old man's going to come out of his cave and he's going to raise interest rates again. The Fed's going to raise interest rate, the Federal Reserve. They're going to do it. The old man's coming out of his cave next month. He's going to raise interest rates. I'm scared. Bitcoin's scared. It's running around in a circle. You see? Pay attention to me. Bitcoin's talking to you. The Jin, what's up, everyone in the chat? We got to keep it entertaining, right? We got to keep it entertaining. It can't be boring. Bright Relaxation, welcome to somebody new. Welcome, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful there's somebody new here in the chat. Please, guys, if you're new to the chat, don't be shy. You're special. All your comments and questions are special to us. and you're part of our family now. Bright Relaxation. Yo, man, what is up? We're doing great today. We're so excited. Patches is so excited. He's looking still. He's stuck on what happened yesterday with Luna Classic. He's just stuck on that. He just can't get over it. So we have to update his chart at some point. Sean Behringer. Hey. I hope Luna turns around. Yes. Everybody hopes that Luna turns around. You know, right now it's down. Here it is right here. Luna Classic, right? Let's pull it over here. Let's move it to the center, right? We're giving you some attention. Luna Classic's like, look, it's running around in a circle. You know what Luna Classics, this is kind of crazy. The bubbles are speaking to you. You know what Luna Classic bubble's saying? I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead. Why am I not dead? Because my volume is 757 million. Does that look dead to you? And my market cap is less than that. 750 million. It's a great opportunity still for so many. Not financial advice. Selmo Fudd. Where's Common Sense? Well, Common Sense has been, he has a family in town, and also he's been tied up with his business. So he's a little occupied, but he is going to have more time, probably in about a week or so. Probably after the 4th of July. Tim Shea. Larry, you hearing anything about Pixel? No, I haven't heard anything about Pixel. I to be upfront with you, I haven't checked in on Pixel at all. It doesn't mean that it's a bad project. It just means that I've been occupied. I've been focused on the overall macro economy. And also, we're building the crypto. We have so many great things. We have another guest. I can't tell you who it is. We have another great guest. Another influencer is coming on next week, next Wednesday. Hopefully, we'll have a couple more people come on next week. We're having different influencers coming on. We're having different ones coming on. There's a rumor. We're going to be talking. There's a rumor that Max, you might see Max maybe come back. Maybe next week. You're going to see some different things. Okay, so here we go. Local crypto pimp. Welcome to the local crypto pimp. Not to be confused with your out-of-town crypto pimp. Welcome. He's dressed like a pimp too. He says, hey guys, what is up? He's here to pimp you crypto. Thank you for that. Michael Cornwell. Oh no. 20. You see, people are freaking out. That's right. Look, it's still up. 101%. Terra Classic is still up 101% in the last 7 days. That's just a fact. It's just a fact. 21% drop after a 400% gain. We're all going to die. Laugh out loud. Yeah, you see people freak out. Get off the bridge, guys. It's going to be okay. Get off the bridge. Big time treat. I heard they are not coding on Luna Classic or UST anymore. It's all hype. Well, I respect what you heard, but the fact is they just put an NFT project on there. I mentioned it to Classy. He agreed with me. He actually, I think, did a video about it. We had a video on here. Max did a video. You go back and check it on this channel about NFT project going on there. There's another project, Star something. I think it was a metaverse or something is building on Luna Classic. UST is I can't explain that to you. That could just be hype because right now it has zero utility. Turning into a meme token. Well, it's a coin, but you know what I mean. Crypto Winter, Luna Classic is a whale scam. Maybe, you know, there's definitely manipulation going on, but that doesn't mean that we can't make money from it. Michael Cornwell, yeah. Where is Common Sense? Common Sense will be back. He is attending to family and also to his business. He's a very busy man, and he stays in touch with us through Twitter. So he is 100% supportive. It's just that he has been occupied, understandably, with family and business. Nate Nay, 530 million is probably from the Bitcoin that Luna Foundation sold about 80,000 of Bitcoin months ago. I'm not sure. Potentially, maybe. Tim Shea. Yes, I won both NFTs in the same contest. Oh, cool. This one is a Soul Space Yeti. What channel did you win it on, Tim Shea? Because we're going to do some crypto NFT. We'll probably do NFT giveaways. I kind of want to learn how to do it the right way. The giveaway I'm talking about. We have software on StreamYard that allow us to do it with like one keyword. But I'm just curious to see how other channels do it so we can learn from them. And we'll take the best attributes of those channels and we'll make it even better here. We try to do things better. Nate Nay. I think Anchor Protocol is a big scam, a Ponzi scheme, I would say. The staking for UST for 20% before the crash is just sounding really true. Yeah, guys, right now I'm not staking anything, and I'm not putting it on a centralized exchange, and I'm certainly not going onto a lending platform. I'm not doing any of this crazy stuff, 20%, 12% on my unstable stable coin. I'm not doing any of that stuff. It's just crypto cash. What is this? Crypto talk now? This is cash talk now, right now. Michael Cornwell smiling. Woohoo, Maximus. Yeah, we'll see. It might work out if it comes back. Tim Shea, maybe next week. Pixel is having liquidity issues. Really? You can't sell right now. I'm glad I took profits. I am still due to your airdrops. Oh, wow. So at least you got profits. That's good. Michael Cornwell, big time treat. Go check out Happy Caddy Crypto. Yeah. I didn't hear back from him, by the way. If you want to reach out to him, Michael, I tried to see if he'll come on. But yeah, I guess he doesn't show his face. He can come on with his voice, I guess. He is up to date on what's going on after the show. Laugh out loud. Yeah. Hassan, welcome back, Hassan. Can I get my back? Wait a minute. How can I back to my money? AAC crypto burn in OKXX. I don't know. I'm not sure your question. Local crypto pimp. I stake crypto. I pimp crypto. Tell me what kind you want. I have it. That's funny. That's really funny. Your crypto comes in all shapes and sizes and also hair color, apparently. Thank you for that. Online money. Welcome to online money. He has so much money, he put it online. And maybe he's lending it out. Any Shiba Inu news? I don't know. It was beyond the scope. I have so much to talk about up here. It was beyond the scope of what I was planning to talk about. I don't believe so. I don't believe there's any Shiba Inu news. I really don't. Shiba Inu needs to get off its butt. Collective butts for the development team. The puppy dogs that run this thing, because we don't know who they really are. I'm a big Shiba supporter, but I'm getting a little bit impatient with them. They have millions and millions of dollars coming in. Can they at least get something done? Can we get another round of Shiboshis come out because they were sold out in 34 minutes and more people wanted to buy them like me that didn't get them? Can we get another round of that? That would be a no-brainer for me. Can we come out with the Shibarium blockchain? Because Terra Luna came out with a new blockchain in 10 days. It's been done. Can we come out with a game ahead of the triple? Whoa, Patch's ears flopping. Can we get a triple A game in 2 years or whatever, a year and a half? But before that, can we get a simple, like a Doge Dash type of game? Shiba Adventure has a fraction of the teeny tiny bit of investment dollars. Shiba Inu has millions. Can they come out with a mobile game where the puppy dog jumps over a bridge or something? Can they do something with the Shiba Inu puppy dog that everybody loves? Can we just do something, please? I even promised my kids once we get to 100,000 subscribers, we're on different platforms. We're going to be on more platforms, but right now YouTube is our main one. When we get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to get them a Shiba Inu puppy. I promised them. That's why they're pushing for us to get more subscribers. But yeah, can they just do something quicker? Can we just get something done quicker? If Dogecoin, you know what? If Dogecoin comes out with a blockchain first, it's going to be an embarrassment. But that's just me. So I tell it like it is. Am I fighting my own bag? I don't even care. Why? Because I'm giving you the truth. I have to give you my opinion and the truth. They need to get their act together and release something faster. We've got Shiba Swap and we had Shiboshis, and everything else is just a promise at this point. So let's just get it over with. Let's get something. Michael Cornwell. I wish we could get bearish on gas prices. We need the local fudders to FUD gas prices so I can go in and buy cheaper as well. Yeah, laugh out loud. Yep. I got, as far as trucks go, I have like a diesel truck, another pickup truck. I'm considering getting rid of that because the price of diesel is expensive. I don't even drive it that much. I drive the car and everything else. I don't even need it. I don't need it anymore. All right, Dylan Patterson. Hey, how low do you think Luna Classic will drop? Well, everyone's going to get mad at me, but I'm kind of, I missed the boat. I only have 2.5 million. And Michael Cornwell is going to be upset when I say this. I'm kind of rooting for it to gain back another 0. Actually, I'm waiting for it to get 2 more zeros. I hope you guys take your profits. If it goes down during the big crash, I'm predicting, I would like to see it gain back 2 more zeros so I can buy in further. But if it does it and you guys are making money, that's great. Oh, Tim Shea said he won on 2-Bit Crypto Channel. Yeah, you should talk to 2-Bit. I've messaged him before a long time ago. You know what? That's somebody that we might want to ask, see if he wants to come on our show here. If you want Tim Shea, message 2-Bit Crypto. Tell him you want him to come on as a special guest onto Crypto Talk Now Live with Larry, and we'll have him on as a guest. I do like 2-Bit Crypto. I'm actually a subscriber to him. Too much. Tim is on fire. Oh, he's got a slot machine. Welcome. You're very special to us. We're so grateful. Here's my gratitude rock. See, I can prove it with that rock. We're grateful that you're here. Too much. Tim is on fire. Michael Cornwell, go on a 3-day chart. I think Luna Classic is healthy. Yeah, I mean, it is. It is. It's got time. Big time treat. I like Doge and SHIB over Luna Classic. Long term, I like those too. I like them both over that. Okay, high impact. Not till Shibarium comes out. Welcome back, high impact. Nate, Apple accepted Shiba Inu via BitPay, I heard. Okay, cool. Big time treat. I think the Luna Classic pump was a stop hunt before it goes to zero. Maybe. I mean, you're entitled to your opinion. Dylan Patterson, how low is Terra going? Tell a bounce, or what is the next resistance? You know what? I'm not a chartist. In fact, I'll throw the chart of especially something like Terra Luna. If I was a paper chart, I would roll it up. I would throw it into a garbage can. I would pour gasoline on that chart, and I would light it on fire. And just in case it was still going, I'd throw more gasoline on it and make sure it just blows the whole house up. I throw the charts right out the window, in other words. I hope I emphasize it enough, because nobody can break that stuff. There is no areas of resistance and support. I'm sorry, but there isn't. I know that these guys like to stay on for 3 hours and talk about charts all day. Don't you think that Terra Luna's pump is defying logic right now? Charts are built on logic and, past trends and math and history and cycles. There is no history and cycle with what we're seeing here. It's unprecedented. You're seeing a distressed asset come back from the dead. So right now, I'm not going to talk about that because I don't talk about charts. If you guys really want to see technical analysis on the show and you're not happy with what Patches is doing, sleeping next to the chart, I can understand that. We're going to have to pay someone to come on, because I'm not going to do it. We'll pay someone to come on and do that hocus pocus stuff. Tarun, big time treat. Yeah, same here. Pat Murphy at Dylan Patterson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 1. That's what he's saying it's going to. 10s only. Hey, mate, what's your opinion on USTC? All right, I'll show you. USTC. Let's do our now push this little icon, because our buttons are not hooked up yet. Let's see. UST. There we go. USTC. What's my opinion on it? Defies logic. I could have bought it under a penny, and I kicked myself for not doing it. It's a total lottery scratch off to me. That's my opinion on it. It serves absolutely no utility. Are they secretly trying to repeg it with Luna Classic? That would be a fairy tale dream to so many, especially those like Michael Cornwell that accumulated a lot. Oh, look at that. It's right up exactly at 5 cents right now. Isn't that amazing? It defies logic. Where's the people looking at the charts for this? Are you really going to look at the charts with well manipulation going on here? Are you really going to be able to show me areas of resistance and support? Are you really wanting me to believe the hocus pocus stuff right now? No offense to anybody that does charts, but come on, it's hocus pocus. Come on, guys. This just defies logic right here. If you want to if you want to spend time looking at the cycles, Bitcoin's been around since 2009. If you want to do charting on Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay, I'll give you that, because there's cycles and trends, but there's still a lot going on in the macro economy. All the markets are tied together, guys. It's not all about charts. And by the way, when the charts are there, it's the big bots, the big money that has all these sophisticated bots basically that are buying and selling at 2 and 3 in the morning when you and I are sleeping or should be sleeping. Mike Avila, watching you guys at work. Well, welcome. Mike, thank you so much. Please consider there's another mic. We must have like 17 mics that watch the show, and 4 of them are from Michael Cornwell's 4 accounts. Could you please do us a favor and change your avatar so we can separate you from the other mics because you're special to us? And shout out to all your coworkers. Make sure you get them to watch too, and then your business will get shut down. All right, Cool Cat Crypto. He's got the purple cat. It's a lucky purple cat. You know what? Purple is the color of royalty. So Cool Cat Crypto is a royal cat. Michael Cornwell. I think Spell will be a big deal in the future as well. Spell token. Michael Cornwell. If data is the new oil, ISO 20022 is the new gasoline. Okay, cool. Oh, here's somebody new. Thank you so much for being here, Anthony Liang. I hope I'm saying that properly. 25. Perhaps by looking at your avatar, you're 25 years old. That could be the significance behind that, 25. And we appreciate you being here. Every big institution selling off Luna, especially Binance. Thank you for that. Pat Murphy with Luna Classic. Should I take profit after the next Fibonacci or wait until the RSI is at 0.3? Guys, this is hocus pocus stuff. Look, guys, if indicators worked on charts, there wouldn't be 227 of them or whatever there is. There'd be like 3. If you guys want to play around with all this fancy stuff, then play around with it. I can't tell you. I throw it out the window. You want me to look at a Bitcoin chart, or someone wants to come on here and tell me about where they think Bitcoin's going based on the chart, I'll listen. When it comes to Luna Classic, I'm not going to listen to it. I'm sorry. I don't have any clue what to tell you. I'll tell you this. Make sure you take your profits on anything, and that includes Bitcoin. Be careful. Take your profits. Anthony Liang, 25. Binance has sold off almost $7 million worth of Luna today. Well, that's good. They're getting some of their money back. We'll see how this goes. If it's going to be something, a sell-off, and then we'll see how fast people buy back in. See if the retail investors can keep up with the institution and the institutions and the exchanges like Binance, the big granddaddy of them all. Iron Lux Trader, welcome back. Tim Shea at Michael, I have Spell as well. Big time treat. Do you crypto mine? No. That's a rich man's game. You need millions of dollars worth of mining equipment. Or to me, it's not worth it. I guess if you want to mess around with helium and make a few $100s or whatever, that's fine. Actually, my best friend, Jason, who I had lunch with yesterday, I don't know if he's watching the show or not, he actually was trying to get me to do some mining back in 2018. And I looked at it. He was all excited about it. I was ready to, pay him actually or give him money to build me a computer because he had built his own computers. He's a computer guy. And I was all excited. He doesn't do it anymore. And we talked about it yesterday. That subject came up during lunch. And he said, you can't make any money with mining anymore, can you? I'm like, nah, those days are over with. You have to act, you have to invest millions of dollars and do it the right way. And you have to be in an area, like Johan says, you have to be in an area where you can get a good deal on, the cost of things like electricity. And sometimes they have these wind turbines, and I don't even know what they have, the windmills, whatever they're using to minimize the cost. I'm not involved in mining, or I don't really care to get involved with it. Would do like proof of stake and stuff like that. The mining is for the big players now. Mike Avila, laugh all the no. I'm the IT manager. I'm the only one who can watch on our network. All right, well, take the show and blast it on everyone's computer. You probably could get in there. If you work for a law firm or whatever, the lawyers will be in there like, okay, let me pull up this case, this disposition. All right, let me just type in here the notes. Holy cow, what's this? Crypto Talk Now. How did this get piped onto my screen? I'm here to try to type these. I got my keyboard. I'm trying to type notes here. I'm trying to do copious notes about my client. I'm at the law firm or the investment firm. I'm typing about my client. All of a sudden, this dog comes on. What the hell is this dog and these bubbles behind him with numbers? Yeah, that's what they're going to think. And this crazy guy with a beard and a Bitcoin hat talking. That would be funny if somebody did that. Okay, it was like a closed circuit TV. They couldn't get off of it. I can't do it. They're hitting Control Alt Delete. They can't stop their. It won't turn off. He sets it up so the screen stays on, and it's blasted in the lobby on the big screen TVs. That'd be kind of funny. All right, I'm just dreaming here. All right, so we just had some spam come in, guys. Hold on 1 second. Well, I had a problem here. I did not change. I'm going to change something about YouTube in a second. Bear with me. I forgot to make this subscriber only mode because we have this stupid bots coming in here talking about stupid stuff like contact me on whatever scam freaking. All right, hold on a second. I'm just going to change this. Customize subscriber mode only. There. Now everybody's punished. No, just kidding. All right, save. The freaking bots are going to be dead. All right, we have our anti-bot thing up. All right, that's up. Anti-bots are on. Now we're getting rid of them. All right, we're getting rid of these guys. They know who they are. They can get out of here. The freaking bots. All right, Anthony Liang, Moonforce General. Last time I checked, you bought Wrapped Luna. Moonforce General. Do we have a bunch of 9-year-olds in crypto? Laugh out loud. The 9-year-olds, don't underestimate them. They can make money too. They can be smart. They can make money. Play to earn games or something. That's the thing. Shiba Inu needs to come out with this game. They can have the game for the kids to play. And these 9-year-olds will be making crypto. They'll get the kids early. They'll get them hooked on crypto early. And they can actually get paid to play games or something. All right, that's what it is. All right, so, yeah, the crypto, here's another thing. Bitcoin whales. Bitcoin whales are filling, or I'm sorry, Bitcoin whales are filling their bags in bullish sign as BTC balance on exchanges hits critical low. You see what I'm talking about? I predicted, well, I don't want to talk about it. Maybe I didn't predict it. I said to you, I'm moving everything off. I moved everything off of central exchange. I have a little bit on crypto.com. Why? I like crypto.com. I don't trust any centralized exchange right now. They're saying this is a bullish sign. Again, with the bullish sign, this is a sign of fear. They're taking off the centralized exchanges because they're fearful. They don't want Binance, for example, to freeze. They don't want them to halt trading like they did the other day for Bitcoin and stuff like that. Or, God forbid, another Celsius. And now BlockFi is messed up. All the lending things. Exchange outflows surge. Holders. I hate this word. Hodlers. Just say holders, please. We don't need to hold on for dear life. Stay steadfast. With Bitcoin's price plunging below 20,000, on-chain metrics depict an increased level of buying activity. Yeah, because they're getting it cheaper, as investors perceive that they are getting a bargain. Whales holding over 10,000 Bitcoin and shrimps. This is funny. Shrimps less than 1 Bitcoin have particularly been adding meaningfully to their on-chain balance through June, as depicted by the accumulation trend score metric, which has continued to return high values above 0.9 through the month. But that's great. Remember, this headline tells it all. Bitcoin balance on exchanges hits critical low. Why? Because the whales and the shrimps are moving. Everybody is moving their money off of centralized exchanges because it's a dangerous thing to have your money on exchanges right now, in my opinion. Michael Cornwell, Mike Avila. I'm the guy that used to find all the wormholes out to the internet. Cool Cat Crypto. Ethereum has headed back under 1K. I told you guys it's headed to 850. You guys need to stop listening to these people. Stop listening. Look, that's Ethereum Classic. Look, stop listening to these people. Stop listening to these people. $10,000 Ethereum. We're not ready for that yet. Look at the macro economy. They don't do that. They're looking at charts all day. Look. Do these guys even understand what interest rates are? Do they understand how the Federal Reserve works? Do they understand what the term basis points means? These guys are stuck on charts all day, trading meme coins or meme tokens. They don't understand the whole economy. I've been around a long time. well before crypto was even invented, well before 2009 in many different markets. Nate, Junior, don't spam. Yeah, that was a bot. I got rid of that bot. We killed it. We killed the freaking bots. Michael Cornwell, it costs like 20K to mine a Bitcoin right now. Yeah, it's not efficient. I don't even know what it costs, but I'll take your word for it. Too much. Big things happening with Volt. Get a bag. Well, in case you missed it, we had the pleasure on this show right here of having a special guest, and he talked about Volt for 30 minutes. And I broke the world record talking about Volt the most times in 1 hour. I said the word Volt. And I have a small bag of Volt right now. All right, that's Pablo Crow. You can go and back and watch this right here. That's when we talked about Volt. Yep. So, yep, Volt. Michael Cornwell, while raw costs maybe around $22,000 per Bitcoin for miners in North America, which is home to the lion's share of hashing power, additional costs could put the total at more like $30,000. Tens only. Ethereum 2 coming out. That's probably why everyone's selling to buy more ETH to swap 2. That will pump huge, I think, but I have no ETH. Laugh out loud. And welcome back, Tens Only. He has his own clothing line as depicted by his avatar. Michael Cornwell, I got the spammer. Okay, good. They're hidden from this group. Thank you. Oh, that's right. You might have a wrench. Mike, I hit him too. Junior, yep. Michael Cornwell, they're hidden. Okay, wait, I was trying to get to Michael Velia. Michael Cornwell, my last job, I worked in cybersecurity. We have a lot in common. Yes. Michael Cornwell was actually on the show last night. How about that? What other show does this? What other crypto talk show is there that lets their valued subscribers come on as special guests? See right here? See, Michael Cornwell's right here. He was here last night. This is the show right now, and this is the show last night. Had over 1,000 people watch us. Isn't that cool? All right. Cool Cat Crypto. Volt just got wrecked. Written all over it to me. Okay. The Jin. I hope to see Max again in this channel. His input and presence is part of the show. Yeah. I tried. I had a good conversation. I had a good conversation with Max yesterday. It was very productive. He called me and I talked to him. And we're going to talk again today. And I think there's a chance he could be back next week. We'll see. We'll talk about it and go from there. So thank you for that. Yep, we talked about the crypto lending. We talked about FTX. You see, these guys are in trouble. BlockFi, right? They're going to buy for pennies on the dollar. Ripple. Let's go into the Ripple one. Because I'm waiting to get XRP. I still haven't bought. Can you believe I don't even have one coin? Not one XRP yet. Where is XRP? Where is it at? Let's see. Let me close this out. XRP. See? All the way down to 32 cents. It was down as far as 30 cents. I'm trying to get it at 25 cents. I'm being greedy about it. Let's talk about XRP. Digital currency payments company Ripple Labs Incorporated has announced a new hackathon dubbed CBDC Innovative Challenge for developers who can build XRP ledger-powered payment solutions bordering on central bank digital currency technology. You see that? Technology, utility. This is the theme with all of these. XRP, XLM, XDC, all these things. Bitcoin doesn't need utility other than being a world currency someday, hopefully. And also it's a store of value. Nobody is trying to compete with Bitcoin. These are payment systems. This is something that could replace the SWIFT system, which is exchange of money in between countries. With a star prize of $150,000 at stake, the company, known for its cross-border payment solutions, said submissions will have to focus on use cases and there's that word again, interoperability around CBDCs. I hate that word because I can't pronounce it. English is my first language. It is not something new to CBDCs are becoming mainstream, with about 9 in 10 central banks around the world currently exploring these new forms of money. Okay, that's it. That's what we have for Ripple. Black Ranger Airsoft. Volt Inu is the new safe moon. I don't know if that's good or bad. I think it might be bad. Cool Cat Crypto. Larry versus Match in an epic cage match would be sweet. Yeah, that would be funny, huh? You guys would want to see that. Isn't Jake Gagan going to be fighting against Rodney at My Crypto Journey? I think they're going to have a fight for charity, right? A boxing match. That would be interesting to watch. Too much. Cool Cat. You need to take another look at Volt. Cool Cat Crypto. 2 at 2. Volt scares me. Volt. I'm going to break the record. I'm going to say Volt again. Cool Cat Crypto. Maybe it's the scary dog mascot. He's laughing. Okay. You guys are having fun. Michael Cornwell, with crypto, we don't need one world currency. It ties it all together. They control it that way. Yeah, I guess I misspoke. What I meant was it could be a national currency, not like a universal currency for the world, but like El Salvador uses it, for example. They can accept it. Other countries will adopt it, is what I meant. And I want it to be like a universal store of value, would be a better way of saying it. Too much. Cool Cat Crypto, don't be scared of making money. Hey, welcome back to Saj Ali. 10K inbound. I'm waiting for the drop. Well, I have it down to 12,000. And the bull run starts February 14th, 2023. You're going to love it. Valentine's Day. More importantly, it's the start of the bull run. It starts at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on that day. Volt has something big, some big stuff coming out July 13th. Oh, that's right. Michael Cornwell was looking into Volt. 2, okay, fine. I'll look at it a little more. Okay, great. Hey, guess what? We've been going a long time, 42 minutes, and I feel great, but I have a lot of work to do because I'm building a Crypto Talk Now network. We're building it and working on some special projects behind the scenes that we cannot share with you at this point in time, but you're going to be excited about it, including the ability to call into the show like a real talk show. So thank you so much. Michael Cornwell says, have a great day, Larry, and you guys all have a great day as well. Patches and I will be back again tonight. There's going to be a surprise tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you then. Take care, everyone.